Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Plug in now and get basics ready. You need Android 8, 0 or newer, and the Android Auto app updated. If your phone has built-in Auto, keep it updated. Use a certified, data-capable USB cable, no cheap or charging-only cords, and connect to the car's primary USB port. Turn on Bluetooth and location on your phone, unlock the screen, and accept prompts. These first actions establish the phone car handshake. Once done, the head unit will recognize the device and request permissions. Once the car detects your phone, you must authorize Android Auto and grant required permissions. Say yes to microphone, contacts, and location, because apps need them to route calls and navigation. Make sure the car display selects Android Auto as the input and assign the phone as the media and phone device if asked. If things stall, disable battery saver on the phone and allow Android Auto to run in the background and auto start. These settings prevent the system from killing the connection mid-drive. Finish by testing navigation, voice, and media controls. Press the voice button and say a command to confirm voice pass-through. If something fails, update the car's firmware and your phone OS, because mismatched versions often break compatibility. Try a different certified cable or a different car USB port, and clear the Android Auto app cache, then reboot both phone and head unit. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio or commands fail, replace the cable. Most intermittent failures are cable-related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.